Now, a decade ago, India barely made its own electronics. Now, it's building a 13 lakh crore rupees industry, and the government has put fresh numbers behind this story. Now, speaking in the Lok Sabha, Union Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Jitin Prasad, said domestic electronics production rose from 11.32 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 25 to 13.11 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 26. Now, exports have grown even faster over a longer window up, which is 11-fold over the last 12 years to cross 4 lakh crore rupees. Mobile phones remain the engine. Production has jumped 33 times over the past 12 years to 6.27 lakh crore rupees, while phone exports have surged 165-fold to 2.59 lakh crore rupees. Now, I believe it is enough to make mobile phones India's single largest exported item, with roughly 99.2% of phones sold domestically now made in the country. The government credits FDI reforms, tax and labor changes, and production-linked incentive schemes for that particular shift. But the sector now supports around 25 lakh jobs, with the mobile manufacturing ecosystem alone accounting for roughly 12 lakh of them. Notably, some high-precision mobile assembly lines employ close to 70% of women, making electronics one of India's more gender-inclusive manufacturing stories. It's quite wonderful. And here, of course, is the front page take. India has gone from assembling a fraction of its own phones to exporting them by the lakh crore. But the numbers also lean heavily on one product category. The next test is whether this production base can genuinely diversify into components, semiconductors, and higher value electronics, rather than just, staying a mobile phone story utilizing a national electronics headline. Well, please do let us know if we are on the correct growth trajectory as far as the entire India ecosystem manufacturing goes, or if you have other thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe. Always remember, think AI, think AIM.